Hey guys, what's up? This is Saurabh here and welcome to my YouTube channel SRB TechVid. So today we are going to review one product, that is Asus VivoBook gaming laptop. So yesterday I purchased this laptop from Flipkart and today I'm going to unbox it and we'll see the features and the build quality, what are the hardwares inbuilt in the laptop. So let's get started. So let's unbox this laptop. After opening this one, you can see this will be the thing in the cover. So this is our laptop. We'll keep it outside, little bit heavier. This is the user manuals. This is the power adapter. And this is the power cable. So these all things has been given in the box. So I'll keep this box aside. So also I'll keep this power cables and user manuals with the box itself. So let's open this laptop from the cover. So this is the color which I have purchased. It's a little bit wet because this is a gaming laptop. I'll keep it here. So let's discuss about the laptop ports available in the laptop. So this is your power cable port, which you can put your power cable over here. This is your Ethernet port, which you can insert LAN cable over here for the internet access or any other network setup. This is your HDMI port, which you can connect to your TV for the video output from the laptop. This is the 3.1 USB port, which you can use for the better data transmission. This is the Type-C port, which you can use for the Type-C devices like pen drive, your mobile, etc. So this is your 3.5 audio jack, which you can connect all the earphones, headphones to this port. So we'll move to the next part of the laptop. So this is the SD card port. This is the LED, power LED and hard disk LED. This is the 2.0 USB port. This is also 2.0 USB port, and this is Kingston lock. So friends, let's open this laptop and we'll discuss about the configuration which has been used in this laptop. So let's get started. This is our laptop completely. So friends, this laptop is coming with Intel Core i5 8th gen processor. The base frequency of this processor is 2.3 GHz and it can be reach up to 4.0 GHz with turbo boost technology. And the best thing of this processor is it has 8 MB of cache memory. So the performance of the laptop will be very good. So friends, this laptop is coming with DDR5 4GB of graphics card, that is NVIDIA GeForce GTX. For the desktop level performance you can get in this laptop. So friends, another thing I can see in this laptop, one fingerprint sensor is there in this laptop. So you can log into your laptop with your fingertips. So this is the keyboard friends, and this keyboard is completely backlight keyboard, so you can work with your laptop without any light. So this is the display, and this is the 60 Hz display, anti-glare display. So the clarity of the display, if you are playing game, if you are editing video, this display is recommended for you perfectly. So we'll go to the next, memories. So this laptop comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and it can be expandable up to 16GB. So this laptop is coming with 512GB SSD. So another slot is there for the hard disk drive. If you want to use hard disk drive, you can use it later also. So friends, let's turn on this laptop and we'll see how much time it is required to go into the OS. So let's get started. I'll press the power button now. See, after pressing the power button, only 3 to 4 seconds it took to get into the login page. So already I told this laptop has a fingerprint sensor. So I'll touch my finger over here and it will get logged into the OS. So now it completely logged into the OS. So friends, now we'll move to the complete review of the laptop. We'll see the performance and all. I'll make another video of this laptop after using up to 2 to 3 weeks. So this laptop is very good for the editing purpose and coding purpose, and for the any Excel work, any official work. This laptop is recommended for my side. Everything is fine, build quality is good, plastic quality is good, everything is fine, but one demerit I saw in this laptop: the hot air which is coming out inside from the laptop to the outside, it is directly hitting to the display. So might be it can damage the display in the future. If you are purchasing this laptop for the gaming purpose, please don't purchase this laptop, because once you'll start playing the game, automatically the system will get heated up and the hot air will come outside and it will get heated to the display directly. So display might be get damaged in the future. Might be this is the design issue or manufacturing issue, I cannot say about this. So this is from my side about this laptop. Hope this video is informative for all of you. If you want this laptop, I'll put the link in the description. You can go and purchase from the Flipkart or Amazon or anything, any sites. So this is about the laptop. Only this demerit of the laptop making me disappointed. If you'll play game, it will generate more hot air and it will directly hit to your display. So might be display will damage in future. So this is from my end. This is about this laptop. I think this video is very informative to all of you. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please press the like button and please press the bell icon for the more updates. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.